Aloha folks, this is Aaron with Hawaii Music School, and it's that time again, the lick of the day. So today's lick was based off of an A minor pentatonic, or actually an A minor blues scale. But we'll go over what that is in a second. Before we do that though, let's go through the lick and I'll break it down piece by piece. Alright, so let's take a look at that lick. It went kind of like this. So basically, that's kind of just going up and down the blues scale. And we're going to break this lick down piece by piece, and I'll show you how exactly to pull it off. Okay? And it's kind of a pun because there's a pull-off in there. A couple of them, actually. So it starts on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. And we're going to move chromatically from D to E. So D, D sharp, E, or you could call it E flat, whatever you want. Anyway, it's 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret. Now we're going to shift and put our first finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. Now, I do this shift because it's a positional move and it gets the lick easier to play as I go up the neck. So I'm moving here with my first finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and I come back with my second finger for the 4th fret of the 3rd string. Now I'm going to go up to the 5th fret of the 2nd string with my 3rd finger, and then back to the 4th fret of the 3rd string. And so now I'm going down to the bottom string, 3rd fret, back to the 4th fret back to the 5th fret of the 2nd string. Now we're going to go to the bottom and do this pull off. So we're going from 6, 5, 3 to open. Okay, now I'm going to go here to the 5th fret of the 2nd string. I pick that once, and then I do a pull off from 3 to open on the 1st string. Now I'm going to do a pull off from 5 to 3 to open on the 2nd string. Now I go down to the 3rd string and I do a pull off from 4 to 3 to 2 to open. So it goes. Okay, and the last thing we're going to do is a slide from the 5th fret of the 4th string to the 6th fret. And then we're going to go to the 2nd fret of the 4th string. Okay, so the whole part looks like this. So altogether the lick goes like this. Now the important thing about this lick is to catch the cadence of it right. So what you want to make sure to do is to get it to sound like that. That's how you want it to sound. It's kind of the staggered thing. Okay, so we mentioned the blues scale, right? And so all it is a pentatonic scale, minor pentatonic, with the flatted 5th in there. So that note. Okay, so this is like 1 and 5 in a minor scale. We flat that 5. So that's all it is. And when we get up here, we added that note because it's the same note. Now the other thing I did was I added in the major 3rd also. And that's like kind of a country-ish thing to do when you're playing the blues scale. So you get that kind of thing going on. But anyway, that's the lick of the day. We'll go over the scales later. We'll go more into how you can use that blues scale. So that was the lick of the day. Hopefully you liked it. If you liked the video, please hit the like button below. And if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I could always use more subscribers. Also, if you haven't seen my website, hawaiimusicschool.com, please feel free to check it out. Right now we got a 2-week free trial membership. So check it out and send me feedback. Aloha guys. Thank you for your support.